Hello students, continuing to our lecture series on the topic Introduction to Digital Logic Design. Today we are studying about Boolean algebra. In previously video lectures we studying about the number system, the number system conversion, then bool binary arithmetic with their addition, subtraction, division, and after that their error correcting codes. And then we studied about the basic gates and universal gate, and through universal gates the conversion of basic gates. Now we are studying Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is an algebra which dealing with binary variables and logic options. Like binary variables are designed by letters of the alphabet, and logic options are like and, or, not. So Boolean expressions are an algebraic expression formed by using binary variables and the constant 0 and 1 and the logic operation symbols and parentheses. So the Boolean function can be described by a Boolean equation, a truth table, or a logic circuit diagram. There are two types of Boolean functions: single output Boolean function and multiple output Boolean function. So Boolean equation, what exactly Boolean equation is? It consists a binary variable identifying the function followed by an equal sign and a Boolean expression. It expresses the logic relationship between binary variables, and it can be expressed in a variety of ways. Here obtain a simpler expression for the same function. So here it is f x y z. X y z here is the functions variables of function, and the terms is x plus y z complement. So the truth table of this function is unique. Here we can see a list of all combinations of ones and zeros that can be assigned to binary variable, and a list that shows the value of the function for each binary combination. Here this one is x plus y z bar. So this is the truth table for these three variables, and this is the resultant function f for the value of x plus yz bar. Here we can see in first x plus yz bar both are 0, but this zy is 1 because z is 0 and z complement is 1. But when it multiply with 0, that means to say the answer is 0 plus 0, it is equals to 0. Now x plus yz bar, again z bar, z is 1 here, so the resultant of it is 1, and so on. The process is going on and we get the all results. So in next, the logic diagram of this algebraic expression for a Boolean function. Here a circuit diagram composed of logic gates. Circuit gates are interconnected by wires that carry logic signals. So x plus y bar z, so y is complemented here and then z. So for example, we present a set of requirements under which an insurance policy will be issued. The applicant must be a married female 25 years old or over, or a female under 25, or a married male under 25 who has not been involved in a car accident, or a married male who has been involved in a car accident, or a married male 25 years or over who has not been involved in a car accident. So the answer, we define variable in four ways as w, x, y, z. W equals to 1 if applicant has been involved in a car accident. Y, x equal to 1 if applicant is married. Y equal to 1 if applicant is a male, and Z equal to 1 if applicant is under 25. We find a Boolean expression which assumes that value 1 whenever the policy should be issued, and then x, y dash, z dash means a married female 25 years old or over y dash z, a female under 25, W bar X Y Z, a married male under 25 who has not been involved in a car accident. And fourth one is WXY, so on. So we have complete this expression in this way. So simplify the expression and suggest a simpler set of requirements. Here what we do, we are just simplifying this whole value by taking commons. So after simplifying it, we get the answer x plus y complement z. So the applicant must be married and a female under 25. So these are the basic identities for Boolean algebra, which we can also say then the rules for Boolean algebra. Here x plus 0 equals to x, x dot 1 equal to x, x plus 1 equal to 1, x dot 0 equal to 0, x plus x equals to x dot x equal to x plus x bar equal to 1, x dot x bar equal to 0, and x double complement is equals to x, and x plus y equal to y plus x, xy equal to yx. This is known as commutative law. X plus y plus z and x plus y plus z, x multiplied by yz equals to xy multiply z. This is known as associative law. Then x y plus z equals to xy plus xz, and x plus yz equals to x plus y x plus z. This is known as distributive law. And x plus y complement equal to x complement dot y complement, and x dot y complement equal to x complement dot y complement is known as De Morgan's theorem. So the duality principle, the dual of an algebraic expression is obtained by interchanging or and operation and replacing ones by 0 and zeros by 1. So here or is replacing by and 0 is replacing by 1. So that means to say, if x plus 0 operation is there, then we should convert it x plus symbol, that means to say or symbol is converted in and, so that means to say it come here dot, and 0 converted to 1, that means to say equal to 1. So a Boolean equation remains valid if we make the dual of the expression on both sides of the equal sign. So x plus 0 is equals to x and x dot 1 equal to x. Now verification of identities. By truth table we can verify the identities as x plus 0 equals to x. So we apply here x as 0 and 1, and for both the values we can see the x plus 0 is equals to x. And De Morgan theorem is an example as x plus y complement equals to x complement dot y complement. So we can calculate this value by this truth table. Here x y value is given, which is the two inputs possible combinations, and x plus y complement and x complement dot y complement. We can see the value of both in the truth table is same here, this value and this value, and this verify the De Morgan's theorem. Now general De Morgan's theorem is x plus y complement equals to x dot y complement and x complement dot y, and it equals to x plus x complement plus y complement. And here is the general De Morgan's theorem. The x plus 2xn complement equals to x1 complement dot x2 complement. Same here for the AND operation. This one is for OR operation and this one is for AND operation. So simplification of Boolean function. Boolean algebra is a useful tool for simplifying digital circuits. Here we can see the example: f equals to x plus y bar z plus x y z bar and plus x bar z. This can be simplified by using these rules, and we can see the function of these three variables becomes in two variable function. So this is a very easiest technique to simplify the Boolean functions. And here we can see the circuit implementation of these functions. Here is the logic circuit implementation. So now implementation Boolean equation. When a Boolean equation is implemented with logic gates, each term requires a gate. So each variable within a term designated an input to the gate. Literal, a single variable within a term that may or may not be complemented. So here is the literals. So this is the term where 3 terms and 8 literals should be there, and 2 terms and 4 literals should be there. So reduce of terms of literals or both in a Boolean expression is often possible to obtain a simpler circuit. So to make a simpler circuit, we applied here the theorem. Boolean algebra may be applied to reduce an expression for obtaining a simpler circuit, and computer tools for synthesizing logic circuit, manual method, cut and try. So what we are doing here, we are applying here the theorems. As the first is x plus xy is equals to x, and we take here common 1 plus y, and 1 plus x plus 1 is equals to 1, so its value is 1, so it becomes x, and so on. These all values are simplified using these Boolean functions or Boolean expressions, or we can say Boolean theorems. So Cauchy's theorem is here, xy plus x complement z plus yz is equals to xy plus x complement z. And here is the proof of this. What we are doing, we are just here doing the end of these, inverting the functions, and we can apply here the different terms or different rules of Boolean expression, and it can be used to eliminate redundant terms from Boolean expressions. And now to simplify this expression, we also applied, this is a question for you students, try to simplify this function, and you are getting this result. Again, complement of a function on f. Complement we known as, it is the interchange of ones to 0 and zeros to ones for the values of f in the truth table, and it can be derived algebraically by applying De Morgan's theorem. And De Morgan's theorem state interchange and or operation and complement each variable and constant, and take the dual of the function equation and complement each literal. So here is the example. In these examples, complementing functions by applying De Morgan's theorem. So here we can see, this is the example f1 where x y complement z complement plus x y complement z complement. Here it is simplify by applying the formulas, and we get the result like this. So here is the dual of function f1, complement with each literal, so it is equals to f1, and same here we get the f2 result. So these are some examples which we are explaining or clearing through using the De Morgan's theorem, and now after this we are studying in our next lecture. Thank you.